Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Logitech Pop Keys keyboard with an Android phone. To connect it with an Android phone, first make sure that your keyboard is on, so go to the right side, then make sure it's in the green position, not in the red one. So now it is on. You can see when I enable it, this should light up. Any of these three buttons should light up. See? You can just easily click on them to switch between them. And if I can switch between them, then that means that devices are connected to them. But if, for example, I cannot click on the third button, that means that no device is connected here. So I need to press and hold on it, and it'll enter the pairing mode for that port, because I can connect up to 3 devices at the same time and switch between them easily by clicking here. So I need to be in the pairing mode here. So now I am in the pairing mode because it's rapidly flashing on the port 3. So let's go to the settings on my Android phone. Then you may need to go to the connected devices or Bluetooth, or like anywhere you would connect your Bluetooth device to. Then click on add new device and you'll see Logitech Pop Keys. Click on that. Then it'll show you the Bluetooth pairing code. So in order to connect your keyboard now, you'll need to enter it. So let's type in 493937, enter. And it is connected, as you can see. Now I can go to like any browser and I can type in anything, so just like that, and I'm in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.